What is black and gray realism tattoo style and how to recognize it? What's up everyone? Let's X-ray black and gray realism tattoo style. How does it look like and what are the main characteristics to recognize this style? First of all, this style is part of black and gray tattoo type. That means they are done using pure black for darker parts or line work, grayish tones for shading or detailing, and white for highlights. Second, it is everything what's real, like portraits, nature, animals, objects, or anything else that you can see in real life. Third, they are simplified version of photorealism tattoo style. What that means? That means that they are minimalistic replicas of real world. They don't have much detailing in designs. For example, if in the photorealism style for animal portraits artists will show maximum amount of hairs in fur, then in realism style it mostly will be just a shade, like you can see in these pictures. First picture is realism, where you can see the hairs are done with the blocks of shades, still holding direction of hair growth. Second is photorealism, where you can see almost every single hair and all of the small facial detailing. Another really important characteristic is that in realism usually you will see more plain customer skin as the lightest part of the designs. We call it negative space. Also on this style, sometimes artists still use line work to make some accents on design parts to help them stand out. And the best is, because of simplicity of this style, for experienced black and gray realism artists, it is easier to achieve larger designs in shorter time frame. Sounds simple as hell, but not so fast. Not every artist can successfully simplify design to keep the maximum realistic look. For that you will need hella set of skills. Congratulations! Now you are the master to recognize this style wherever you will see one. That's it for now. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, activate notifications so you don't miss upcoming series, and share with your friends and family so more people can find out what everyone needs to know before, during, and after their tattoo session. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time. Peace out.